Hi and welcome to Wowflow. In this video, I will show you how you can schedule your maintenance or inspection intervals and add different points like checklists to your inspection and create a PDF report of this checklist inspection. So when we dive into our Wowflow account, we see here a quarterly fire protection inspection set for our office Wowflow in certain interval that is here below with the points here in the checklist. So when we assign this one to our internal employees, external partners that are also allowed to use the Wowflow application on a mobile, as they log in into the application, they can actually see, this is the inspection I need to do, and just with one click straight away start and enter the task to be done. Now, they need to check the protocol here where they go to different points, add pictures to certain points, and as well remarks if something was done or not. Let's take a point of corridors and garage. For example, here at our office at the moment, there is issues on corridors, and for a fire inspection, this is not allowed. So this way we can attach those. And if we want, straight away, we can create here a task, assign it to a person or a subtask to this point, meaning we have all the work done as we do the inspection and don't have to do anything afterwards. Now, if we just want to also make a picture of where we are at the moment or our surroundings or the building, also can easily be added and will be added to the inspection protocol. So as we have finished this, now we can create a PDF report as well as a inspection person or show it to the client or person on site. So I can here now put my signature, go on next, and I now have automatically generated PDF report with signature with all the points that we have gone through, and I can share this straight away on spot with my customer. Now, as well, here on the Wowflow, for our colleagues in our office, it's also being automatically updated with the PDF protocol, details of the checklist. So what our colleagues automatically have in the office as we are still on site is the protocol that they can send to the customer, attach the invoice, or we can put it in our ERP system, whatever it needs to be done, but documentation is automatically generated. As well as the next interval for the next quarter is also going to be generated automatically in Wowflow for you or your partners that need to do it. So if you test this, feel free to contact us and have fun with it.